Welcome to Whiton Hall. This is a shared living experience just one block from the Ithaca Commons. Each Whiton Hall tenant gets their own private lockable bedroom, and each floor has communal kitchen and communal bathrooms for all tenants to share. We're here today to see apartment 209, a room on the second floor. Let's head on in. Every Whiton Hall room comes with 5 pieces of furniture: a full-size bed, a bookcase, a dresser, and a desk and chair. Each room also comes with a microwave and a mini refrigerator. Room 209 has one large window with a view to the north. Every Whiton Hall room also has plenty of closet space. Finally, each room has an intercom, so you can buzz your friends up. Rent for Whiton Hall rooms includes all utilities: your heat, water, trash and recycling fees, electricity, even the internet. Thank you for coming on a tour of Whiton Hall 209. Call us today for availability.